Is my report about interactive discussion, real-life ethical challenges. Case 1. A customs broker noticed that an importer has misdeclared luxury goods as basic commodities. Should they process the shipment or report it? For me, honesty and compliance protect both the broker and government from fraud.
Case 2. A broker is offered a commission to facilitate a shipment without proper permits. How should they respond? The customs broker should refuse the commission and decline to process the shipment without the required permits. Processing goods without proper documentation violates customs law and regulation of Bureau of Customs and may result in penalties or suspension of license. The broker should advise the client to secure all necessary permits to ensure lawful and compliant importation.
Case study analysis on customs-related fraud. The broker may face fines, loss of license, and possible imprisonment. Reflection. This teaches that illegal actions lead to serious consequences and damage one's career and reputation.
So let's go to case number 2. A broker reported a smuggling operation and was rewarded for their honesty. So a broker who reported a smuggling operation helped stop illegal activities, protect government revenue, and strengthen trust in customs operations. Their honesty promoted integrity and accountability in the profession.
A customs broker who exposed a tax evasion scheme demonstrates the critical role of whistleblowing and maintaining ethical standards. In customs and taxation, integrity is essential because evasion not only deprives government of revenue but also creates unfair advantages for dishonest businesses. By reporting the misconduct, the broker helped protect public funds and ensured fair competition. Whistleblowing strengthens accountability and public trust. When wrongdoing is exposed and addressed, institutions show they value transparency and justice. It also deters future misconduct as others recognize that unethical actions may be reported. Although whistleblowers may face personal risk, their courage supports a culture of integrity. Protecting and recognizing such individuals is essential for promoting ethical behavior within organization and society.
The case of an employee who reported corruption faced retaliation and was later recognized for their courage highlight both the risk of importance of whistleblowing. Corruption undermines fairness, accountability, and the public trust. By exposing it, the employee acts with integrity, choosing ethical responsibility over personal safety or job security. The retaliation they experience show how organizations sometimes discourage transparency, creating a culture of fear. Such response can silence others and allow misconduct to continue. However, the later recognition of the employee courage reinforces the value of honesty and sends a strong message that ethical behavior matters. Whistleblowing is essential for maintaining ethical standards because it exposes wrongdoing, deters future misconduct, and strengthens accountability. To truly uphold integrity, organizations must protect whistleblowers and create safety channel for reporting concern.